The youth wing of Tripura Motha organized a massive bike rally today to celebrate the newly elected leadership of the TTADC. The event was held to accord a warm reception to the new Chief Executive Member Runel Debarma, Chairman Bhavaranjan Riang, and other newly sworn-in MDC. Led by South Zonal Joint Chairman Harendra Riang, the rally commenced from the Tripura Motha Party office in Bir Chandra Monu. A large convoy of motorcycles featuring a high turnout of enthusiastic youth traversed various townships alongside National Highway 8. The procession eventually culminated at the Bir Chandra Nagar Party office, where a formal meeting was held.
Chini CM ta chunga chini honorable sir Runel Debarma abon baya chini local ni YTF ro bari khaksamane hambai yu mukhawa tongthoma tongboro chini santir bazar Tripura Motha ni YTF tongnai boro tini chunglaya tini jeto barja laha tini poila bokta achu thai bung paloknai tini che bo duty khare chini Tripura sa 5 bochon hamkani hampani bagai botini daitolai samanai abono khaksange chini je honorable chairman Bhavaranjan sir angke chini additional CM ta chini Runel Debarma bona hambai ri tini YTF rally kemis angke angbono sanchu lai thane 5 bochoro chini je ex-CM sir Purnachandra Jamatia bopono kahama ke chini Tripura sa do pare hamkre me samota ha chini yo draw by chini senior citizen raw by jo to be mile tini bo 5 bochor purno samota ha abodin khero chini buskama finance CM bobodin kheno kaham tangnai bobagran leadership by chini ADC ha phango development khyanema education no toini jongjal no toye lama ni jongjal no toye school ni jongjal no toye abodin mano bonai
Several key party officials joined the youth in the celebration, including Gaurav Mok Chaudhary, Central Committee Member, Rachanjit Riang, Bokapha Block President, Ranjit Riang, Bir Chandra Monu Sub-Zonal Chairman, Pradeep Mok, and other senior leaders. Reporter by Bikram from Sandir Bazar, Chini Khorang.